Do you have recurring transactions that are posted on a specific day of the month? Well, this tutorial will help you to simplify the process so that you don't have to do it manually every single month. This tutorial will include the following: enabling permanent entries invoice printing, adding a permanent entry, and lastly, posting permanent entries. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at permanent entries in SYSPRO. So let's get started. We're going to start by going to Setup. Then we're going to go to Setup Options. I'm just going to maximize my screen. Okay, perfect. Let's just close here. So we're going to go to Preferences and we're going to go to Financials. Then we're going to go to Accounts Receivable. And we're going to look for Permanent Entries Invoice Print Required. As you can see, the box is unticked. And we're going to click on the box to tick it. And then afterwards, we're going to click on the Save and Exit icon. This notification is telling us that your changes will only take effect after exiting SYSPRO. So we're going to say OK. Okay, and that is how you enable permanent entries, invoice printing. Remember to exit SYSPRO for the changes to be effective. We're going to start by going to Accounts Receivable. Then we're going to go to Setup and we're going to look for AR permanent entries. Okay, we're going to now maximize our screen. Okay, then we're going to start by putting the date on which this post is going to go through, or the day rather, so the 28th day of the month. Then we're going to add our reference. So our reference will be rental MV, and we're going to tap off. We're going to tap off to enter the invoice amount. We're going to tap off to enter the cost amount. We're going to then tap off to select the product class. So I'm just going to type it in. Then tap off to enter the description. Okay, so on the description, we're going to write rental, mounting, okay, perfect. Okay, then we're going to come all the way to entry type. We're going to make sure that permanent is selected. For frequency of transfer, we're going to select 1. Okay, then we're going to go on to the calendar month. So we're going to leave it on 3, and the calendar year, we're going to leave it on 2004. Then we're going to click on Add to add our customer for this permanent entry. We're going to enter our customer code on customer. Then we're going to tap off to enter the second customer. We're going to tap off to add the third customer. Okay, and then we're going to click on the Save and Exit icon. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to close this program. And that is how you add a permanent entry. We have realized that 80% of our viewers are not yet subscribed, so we are going to give you a chance to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's continue with the tutorial. We're going to start by going to Accounts Receivable, then we're going to go to Transaction Processing, and we're going to go to AR Post Permanent Entries. I'm just going to maximize my screen. Then we're going to click on Post, and it's asking us if it's okay to post, and we're going to say okay. And there we have our general entry, and when we're done, we're going to then close the program. And that is how you post a permanent entry. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which tutorials you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial.